Hello friends, I'm Nathan Daniel, and today I'll be talking to you about experiment number 8, PLSQL programming 2, procedures and functions. So, so basically a database is nothing but a procedure is nothing but a database which is stored statement with this name stored stored in the database, so that is compiled and it can be formed as a number of programs. Okay, then a function is basically nothing but set of SQL statements that function only through parameters, input parameters. So it can return a single value or a table. So what we're going to do is first we're going to create a stored procedure. From here, we're going to create a stored procedure. This is the one stored procedure that displays the name and course ID of the students whose course ID is passed as parameter. So first thing is create or replace procedure F1 CID in number. So is name enquiry you have put in the whatever dot f name percentage type begin, we again begin, then we select the name, and then from where to where, then the output is name is, and then the name end. So the procedure is created. We then declare it. We begin f1 10, we end it, and then end it. So name is Anil, so any name that I would have given. PLSQL procedures completed successfully. Next, what is happening is we set server out on. So basically, what this does this is basically it creates a stored procedure. Okay, so the server out, then we create a replace procedure. F2 D2 DT in date, eno in number is num batch. This one dot duration percentage type edate batch. Okay, starting date date percentage type. Then we begin. Select duration into num from batch, this one where course code is equal to eno. Select starting date, so we select starting date, so we select starting date into edate from this batch to this, where course code is equal to no, eno e number, that's a no number I guess, yeah. Then the output, the duration is, then the output starting date is, that is basically doing this enrollment day, that course, and then what date to what date should it be there. Then we end it. Procedures created. Then we declare. Then we begin F2 1st July 1420. End. Duration is 30. Starting date is 1st January. So PLS is successfully completed. Then what we do is we create or replace procedure F3 roll in number. Is begin delete from this one where roll number. So this is basically we're doing write a procedure that deletes the student's record whose roll number is passed to it. If such roll number is not existing, we raise no data found exception. So to do that, delete from this first, then where roll number is this exception. When no data found, then we raise application error, which is minus 20100, that which you all know again. The given data is not present. End. Procedure is created. So then declare begin F3 12365 whatever. This is the next one. Write a function display the course fees the given course code. So this is the one F3, this one. So hence it's created. Okay, PLSQL is created. Then we declare again and we begin. This is basically for create a function which count total courses having amount more than 5,000. So that is over here. So we create or replace the function first. Then we return the number. Then we do the fee structure. Then we begin. Then we select this batch to this batch, where this batch is row number and then this course code is equal to fee, and row num is equal to 1. We return the fees. End. Function created. Then we declare. So this is basically These are the postcode. 10 is 4000. Okay. This is the fifth one. Okay. So PLSQL is created. Okay. I'm sorry. That is the fourth one. To display the course fees with the given course code. Then we create a replace function. We begin and then we end. Between others, select count c dot course code into num from course. This one fees paid this and then having f dot amount 5000. So we return num. Declare num number 2. We begin. Then we do the num is equal to f of 5. F5, sorry. And then we get the output, the number of course whose amount is 5000. Then we num end. Okay. Number of course whose amount is 5000 is 1. PLSQL is completed successfully. So number of course whose amount is 5000 is only 1. So total course is having amount more than 5000. So only one student is having more than 5000. Next, what we do is we create a function which displays the student details when roll number is given as input. So F6 roll number is given, return varchar2, inquired this one, select E, this one from this where this is this, that is inquiry roll number is this. Then we return NF, we end it, function is declared. So to get this output, F name is Anil. So this is the guy who has got more than 5000, and this is a function which displays the student details when roll number is given as input. So function which displays the student details when roll number is given as input. So here roll number is given as input. See, roll number is given as input. So declare nm varchar2 begin nm and the same thing. So hence the PLSQL procedure successfully completed. So hence the PLSQL programming 2 is completed. Experiment number 8.